Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. Today we're going to take a look at the U-Haul Towing Starter Kit. This ball mount kit is ready for safe and secure towing right out of the box. Let's take a look at what it comes with. Now our towing starter kit comes with 3 different components. It comes with our ball mount and ball, our locking pin, and our receiver cover. So let's start by talking about our ball mount. Our ball mount is rated for 7,500 pounds for the gross trailer weight and 750 pounds for our tongue weight. Now this comes with a 2-inch drop, but you can also flip it to give yourself a 3/4 inch rise. This is a 2-inch shank, which means it can only fit a 2-inch hitch receiver on your vehicle. Now our ball is also rated for 7,500 pounds and is pre-torqued with all the necessary components and cotter pin to safely secure it onto the ball mount. Next, let's look at our locking pin. This is a 5/8 inch hardened steel locking pin. Now it has this rubber cover to protect our keyhole. We just open it up and our kit comes with 2 keys. And once we insert it and unlock it, the head of the locking pin will come off and we can use that to install on our vehicle. Then once it's installed, you can just reinstall it and lock it into place and secure it with the rubber cover. Next is our hitch receiver cover. This rubber cover fits into your 2-inch hitch receiver to keep all dirt and debris out while you're driving with your vehicle. Now all of these components can be reinstalled into our carrying case so it can be more easily stored and transported. So that's what comes with our towing starter kit. If you have any questions about these or if you'd like to take a look at one, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center or you can order one online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.